Hi, I'm Axel and we're going to look at some old tapes that I'm going to get rid of. They're just taking up space. These are the ones that don't have covers. They just came in empty containers. So I'm going to get rid of them, but I'd like to know what they are before. Some of them are tapes that people have made them, their own copies of copies. I'm going to start off with this one. There are a mixture of some spectrums in here as well, and I can tell by the tone if they're spectrums or not. So first one is one that I've already tried the one side and it didn't work, so this may not be successful. This one is called Hypersports, which I believe has got a really good tape loader. So let's have a look. So the original Hypersports I think might have had an overload. It's the right tone for the Commodore 64, which is a good start. And I had this last time where it just made a right mess of the naming, so I don't think this is going to work. So I got a feeling this one's going to be a failure. But we'll wait. I doubt it'll load because it's not the right type. The next type will be a micro deal, digital blank tape. Not much on it. Very computer related tape. It's got like program, counter, S address and end address. Not sure what that is. But we'll see. Yeah, this is what I got before where it just crashed out completely. So I'm going to say that this is no good. Let's do a power cycle. Don't know if I want to rewind it or not. Why not? So yeah, I just want to get rid of these. I got no need to keep them. Right, the micro deal. Is there anything on this? Will it be Spectrum? Normally this might have been a Spectrum tape. I don't know why. That doesn't sound right. Straight from the start. It sounds a lower tone and the tone was used for the Spectrums. Yeah. Not sure what that was. I don't even know if that's a Spectrum actually. We'll keep that to one side. Put these to that one over there. Stop that. Right. So not very good success at the moment. We'll do a power recycle just in case. This one's stuffed in. It's a W.H. Smith tape. This was a stationery shop here in the UK. It's sadly disappeared now. It's recently been bought out. You do get them occasionally in some railway stations, but that's about it. Okay, I don't know what this might be. Shift and run stop gets to load the tape again. Will there be any data on this one? Sounds like it could be music. There was a big crackle there. And then nothing. You would normally get something at the beginning of the tape and you're getting nothing. So what I'll do, just in case. Oh, that's a long tape. It's a 60-minute tape. I'm not going to leave that one. It's probably blank. Alright. So we're getting to some other tapes. This one isn't in the right case. It's in a Fuji DR1. But the tape that I used to see these all the time. The TDKs. It might have been mine actually. And we'll see if this has got anything on it. again. So it's just music. Probably one of my mixtapes, I would say. But unfortunately, it's not data. Okay. Now this one definitely won't work. It's a Commodore 16 game called Storm. So I'll keep to one side. Right, I need to put that music over there. Right, okay. Right, some of the ones, these have got labels on, so these may work. This is a Spectrum one. So I'll keep the Spectrum ones and we'll try them later on if I can get a Spectrum to work. Chess the Turk. Okay, will we find a Commodore 64? Yes, we do. One of Brian's favourite. It is Beachhead 2. In the wrong case. Just a TV case, actually. The should have been for the other tape, actually. And will this play? Let's see. And we know this is a Commodore 64 game because it's on the label. Nice clean tone. This is probably going to load actually. Yep. Right, so I've stopped the tape. We're going to get our intro. It's one of the first games I remember where it had this like multi-level tape load. Not the greatest. I mean, what you do is like press 0 on the tape counter and then you can go back to this point. But yeah, crazy times. Especially after you have to wait for all this intro. I'm not sure you could skip it or anything. Right, we're going to go again. So F1 and attack. Position the tape, which is there. Press return. Press play on tape. Then press return. There you go. So we should hear that. It wasn't very fast. It seemed to be the same, but there was a little bit of data that was missed right at the beginning, which may have been the reason why it didn't load. If it doesn't, I'm going to put it down to the side. It doesn't load. I could try the other side, I guess, but... Actually, I think I remember trying the other side on this, I think, maybe. But we don't know, it might work. We'll give it a go. Weird static there. Oh. Nah, I don't think this is going to work. I don't know, give it a go. It has to load all the audio, so maybe that's why it was taking some time. It's worked, right? I just probably didn't give it enough time. So I believe what I should do, if this is going to work, yep. I've got my helicopter on the top. And I'm going to drop off my men. So you can see down the bottom is a turret. So the best thing to do is get a little bit high. I think if you get too low, they die like that. So drop them off quite high, about there. And get in, and then just drop it each over the time. You just keep on doing this. Get these top ones done first. Shame they didn't animate that cloud, that volcano. So you get to a point where you can't stop playing the mobile. I think we're getting to that point soon. I'm not sure if you just like waste men. How many you got left as well, but it doesn't. Right, that should be the last one. No, right. Okay, so I'm going to do some middle ones. So, the bit that was really bad at. Follow me, man! Get them out. Oh, no, not even to start with it. Got two out then. Medic! I'm hit! Oh. Oh, right at the end. Medic! See what we get, cut out. I'm hit! I don't think this last one's gonna get out. So, next bit is you get this one guy out here, and then down it, and then to process him and die. Normally, probably it's probably best to get him out like that. It's a shame, once that's doing that animation, you can't get another guy out. You'd think that would be the best time to get out. I'm here. You'll go. Oh, that's good. Totally missed that one. I suppose you get points for why can't you get them out at that point? silly. Oh, it's my gift. Yeah. Ah! Wasn't very good, was it? No! Medic! So I believe... Oh no, we've got still some other guys. Run. I wonder what this thing was to get them to attack. Very clever. Oh yeah. Is that me? Why is he running straight into it? I can't remember getting those out. Yeah, double. And that was it. So that's the first one. So we can do a little bit of the rescue. So we'll do level 1, 1 player, and then we'll do F3. The tape should be in the right position. I know this next level was brutal. I don't think I remember getting past it. So I must be close to it. So a lot of people stated that the attack minigame was the best. Oh right, I get it now. So the first one, right, this was crazy. So I'm the gun. So I've got to, this is my guy. And I've got to protect him. So the guy got up there. Shot this. Oh no. Okay, so I just got run over by a tank first. And I'm going to do this for 19 people. I don't really get anything that's going to attack him. If they come past him, there's no real danger. says, "Don't shoot me." That was something I remember. Here. You can run faster. See these? Is he injured? It's like, wow. All right. Oh, that he's gonna get killed. Let's see if I can get that one. Oh. I'm going to play that temple. Hey, don't shoot me.
Hey, don't shoot me!
He's really a shot by the side. Oh my word. Then run over the tank again. Well, that is lost. Yeah, you take your time, mate. When you're playing a computer game, don't rush. I mean, would it be like, oh, it's got the slowly run over by a tank. Now I'm gonna don't shoot me. Tempting. Blank area. Oh, he's got. No. Interesting that the everything strode. Really, oh, that was lucky. Oh no, I killed the guy, but the mine went in. See, if I kill them out of the way, do they come back? I suppose so. Probably just leave them. Oh, he's very moving. So there you go. Probably why you didn't see the other levels. So I guess. I'll do whatever I didn't do in the 80s. I try to persevere with it, even though oh my God. 10. Well, at least I got like one through. It's mine, or mine? No, I'm gonna get rid of you again. It's like a sweet spot. Is mine right? Ah, yeah. Really hard to hit. Amazing this trap will move, isn't it? Powers that they have don't need to care think about it. Gonna get at least one through. Oh, God, 8. That's good. I'm determined to see the next level. No. Mine. Oh my god. Well, I'm just saving your life. I just saved your life. Oh my god. Well, he deserved to die. I'm just so lucky I think I don't like that. I don't think it's too much. Whoa. Oh no. They've determined to kill Right, that's fine. Is that tapping sound? I mean, that is... okay. So it might be based on how many you get, to see if they get through, because obviously he was like nearly halfway. Not even halfway across the screen and he got to escape. Number 6. The game is like hit targets, not get hit. Not to be clever. So we Well, what a shot. Right. That's really good at I just worked something out actually. It's going to delay him. He was definitely more faster than the other one. Look, it's okay. Right, down to 3. Ooh, good game. Good. The other one's paused. It's gone back to being slow. 3 more to do. Gripping stuff this, isn't it? Press stop on tape. Oh. Even though it's been a favorite game. Go on, tap dance out the screen. Oh, there he goes, faster now. What I'll probably do is I'll put the video from the day again. Throw this tape away. Yeah, like that. I thought about turning on the download tapes. That's abandoned where. Okay, so there you go. So a screen that I've not seen for a long time. I probably would have seen it, maybe. I just can't remember. So this would be back to the main menu, F1, and this time we're going to do the escape. Did they say the escape was the best? What did they say? No, they said the attack was the best. Position the tape and then press return. So we'll see if we can get past this next one. Like, I may remember it. It's been such a long time. Nothing about the programmers. Well, you got one here, director Bruce Carver. He did Raid Over Moscow. He did Leaderboard, World Class Leaderboard. I have never seen this. It looks like it's been thrown together very quickly at the end. Allies, push up or down to load a chopper. Push up or down to load a chopper. Press button to start the chopper run. Alright, so we'll do that much. I don't want to put all my eggs in one basket. Especially as I've never played this before. Now what? Press a button to start run. I just did. Oh. Oh. Oh no. I kind of remember this, possibly. Everyone's firing straight, which is not too bad. Go under the bridge. Try that. Yep. All I'm thinking about is escaping. What the? all gone a bit weird. Ooh, got bouncing balls. This is this military technology. Oh, so it looks like you can't crash into the ground, which is good. Am I successful? Oh yeah, I did. Let's go under the bridge again. And up. Got multiple doors. Just go on the road and miss them all. That way of getting more points, I guess. Oh no, my hostages are dead. That's interesting. It's starting up again. Didn't expect that. She's just feeling sorry for me. Giving me something. Can I remember this? Not really. I think I would have enjoyed this actually. I like that bridge design, that's cool. It would have been good if you could like move up and down the screen. It's very good. Yeah, ugh. Dodging the tank's probably the best. Ah, that's interesting. The height. I thought the bullet would hit me. Ah, I'm going up the screen. That's not me doing that. I have no idea what's going on. Okay. So it gives you... Ah, right, okay. Well, let's put them all back up. Roll in. Okay, last one. Chopper 2. Oh, I see, right. I get like different choppers to get through. Here we go again. Oh dear! Alright, okay. So you have 3 chances. I thought it would have been a bit harder and just say, sorry, hostages. Alright, okay. So the last bit, we did get 1 through. I have definitely not seen this. Definitely not seen this level. Right, okay. F1. We're going to the battle. And this is probably where we're going to fail. But at least I'll get to see it. Nope, I don't remember this. So what's this? It's like a shoot-off, a standoff. It's like, hey, look at me across here. Here we go. Is this the right joystick? No. Right, okay. So I assume I'm the... Oh! Oh! Oh, I didn't know you did it loads of times. Oh, this rings a bell. Absolutely amazing. Oh, oh you can... Oh my god. Is that it? Game over. Oh, no. Okay. I'm just gonna fire loads at you. It's too good. Oh my god. Want to buy aimbot? What is this? It's like a game of 10-pin bowling. Stop jumping. Yeah, I wonder who's gonna win. Is that how many people I got left? Oh no, it's just rounds. So it's me versus the dictator. I got you. This is where I'm doing it all wrong.
You can't hurt me.
Can't what? Can't catch me. Thank you, Bell. Yeah. I think he's going to win. Oh my word, I have to do all these. Come on then. Beat me. Beat me, stop jumping. Stop jumping. Oh my god. There's probably some technique that I'm totally missing here. I know you can bend up. I even get it so it hits him. That totally hits him. I'm trying to dodge. I see. Ah, right. So for some miraculous way, I can bend. Oh. Did I get a 1? Did I get him? That's a hit. That's a hit. Oh, that's a miss. That's dead. That's a hit. No, it's not. Oh, yeah. No! 4-2. Oh, right, I see. That's how many hits. Once you get 4 hits, then you've killed the person. But I can't even hit him twice. Even once. Oh my god, twice. It's got me in a corner. That one went. That's like a boomerang, that one. Well, guys, we know how this is going to go. do we even need to do this round? But... No. Oh. Everyone took their own hit then. Oh, I got him. Come on. Just one, please. Just feel sorry for me. Nope. Oh, God. Oh, I thought I had him. Stop moving. Yes! I got it! Once. But it doesn't count. Game over. Is that it? Wow. There you go. Beachhead 2. An amazing game that came out in 1985. And is going in the tip. Well, it'll probably be offered to anybody, and if anybody wants it, they will take it. But if they don't, it's going, because I've got it. I've got a copy of it with a full label. But here we go. Hope you enjoyed that, and see you next time.